Oh, welcome back and good afternoon, Acadiana. Our cold, gloomy conditions persisting while still dodging all that severe winter weather up to the northwest. Locally, our showers moving off in the area, pushing out to the northeast, maybe a few lingering in our area near Brobridge, but mostly moving off towards Baton Rouge. For tonight, those scattered conditions, maybe getting a few scattered showers through the area, moving into tomorrow morning where our next weather system comes through, giving us a good soaking by late morning, midday, about a 100% chance of rain, but clearing off into the afternoon with scattered showers and lower chances. And moving into Friday, those clouds giving way to clearer skies. Meanwhile, that rain accumulation, like I told you, getting into almost a half of an inch local. Meanwhile, back in the short term, our cold and wet conditions hang around for one more day. 100% chance of rain, like I said, tomorrow by midday. Those showers lingering around in the afternoon for about a 70% chance, moving into the evening and clearing up by Friday morning, Friday afternoon, giving us some nice sunny conditions and a bit of a warm-up, getting to the lower 70s, high 60s again for the nice pleasant weekend, and then we get back to an unsettled pattern again for the middle of the week next week. And that's it for weather for now. More coming up after this. Welcome back, everybody. Some gloomy conditions persisting today after our storm moving through this last weekend. Those winter storms persisting in Dallas, Texas as well, and much of the northeast of our section, but none of it moving to us, as we'll see looking at our model here. That freezing precipitation staying mostly north and east of our area, maybe a little bit in Shreveport, but nothing as far south as us. Spotty conditions over the next few days, that cloud deck giving way to some precipitation in a few spots for Wednesday. But as we move into Thursday, we see this larger weather system moving in, giving us a good soaking, maybe by late morning Thursday, maybe midday, with a 90% chance of rain. Temperatures only up to 42 degrees, but that should quickly move through by the afternoon, clearing out to leave cloudy but drier conditions for Friday. And we'll see that clearing up in the rest of the week. We'll get to that in just a moment, but that precipitation coming through is going to leave us with quite a lot, looking at up to an inch in the Lafayette Parish on our graph model. Some models pushing for higher, up to 3 inches, so we'll keep an eye out for those flash flood warnings as we move through the week. Meanwhile, for the next 48 hours, look at our temperatures. Going to be cold and dreary. We're down to 43 degrees in Lafayette, maybe in the low mid-30s for upper parishes, but no freezes down here. Things just going to stay cool and gloomy. Moving into Wednesday afternoon, not much change. Moving into Thursday morning, only getting up to 53 degrees locally, maybe 55 in Baton Rouge, a degree or two warmer for the southern parishes. And moving into Thursday afternoon, still much of the same. For our next 24 hours, like I said, those gloomy conditions with some spots of rain. Might want to keep an umbrella with you if you're walking around, as it might be gloomy, but you can still get caught in some of those stray showers. Moving into our 10-day, our weather system moving in Thursday, giving us a 90% chance of rain. And like I said, 1 to 3 inches of rain possible, but light at the end of the tunnel. We have that clearing out Friday, giving us a nice dry weekend. Our temperatures warming all the way back up into the 70s. And possibly another system coming on Tuesday, Wednesday, but we'll keep an eye on that as it develops. That's it for weather for now. More coming up after this.